Hey guys, it's Eri. It's been a while, and by the time you guys are seeing this video, I'm probably either in a plane on my way to my first contract or I'm already in my first ship. Finally, it's been a long time dream of mine to work on a cruise ship, and it finally came true. Of course, I'm a little nervous and scared, and it's very normal, but I'm also very excited to experience new things, especially in a foreign country. And this will be my first time riding an airplane and also a cruise ship. So pray for me. It actually took me years to achieve this dream. It started back when I was in college. That's why I took travel or hospitality management. And then I worked at Starbucks to gain expertise. I was supposed to apply for a cruise ship job back in 2020, but we all know what happened. So yeah, a few years later, I finally got the opportunity to work on a cruise ship. In this vlog, I'm going to show you guys the long process and preparation that I did for my first contract. So enjoy!
Hello. Hello. Paano next? May games? May games? Anong games? Okay. Ano to? Digit span. Oh my gosh. I'm so nervous. But also excited. Yes. I am applying for the position of opportunity again. Thank you. Bye. Good morning. Today is the first day of my basic training. I'm kinda nervous and excited at the same time.
About the ship naman, pag sinabi about the ship, it is like ito a general alarm, no? 7 or more short blasts of the ship's whistle. Still sorry, is the still safe? What happened?
Fog stream.
For the...
Hey guys, welcome to my vlog. Rainbow.
Yeah.
Go, bro. Let's go, bro.
Lukuin pa ako. Magulit sa ilarte.
Grabe ah, parang ayaw mo matama sila.
Picture muna. Grabe, biktima na. Nakapagmakaano pa.
Galing sa amin from me and Nori. Oh, wait lang. Ano ba naman? Ano yun? Grabe, parang Coke. Coke. Oh, yes. Wow. Buti na lang din ako bibili ng pajama. Ay, ang cute. Wala, ang cute. Balit. Ayun ba yung nagtanong kay mama kung anong size ko? Sabi niya eh, oh, ay kunik. Hala! Sinasabi nito! Ang galing! Oh my God! Gosh, like flirt. Oh my God! Mamaya ako nababasahin yung ano, baka maiyak ako. Oh, thank you, Sean! Thank you!
Medyo maayos ka.
So, that is all for today, and I'll try my best to post here and on my TikTok account about my journey. And if you're also an aspiring seafarer like me, or if you have some questions, you can comment them down below. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you soon.